In this video, I will show you how to get silk fabric in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is obtain silk. So you can get this from the spiders. So you just want to go ahead and attack spiders and they're going to drop silk threads like this. Now you actually need 5 silks in total to build a silk fabric, so you just want to go around and start attacking some spiders, defeating them and collecting your silk. So once you've gone ahead and done that, what you're going to want to do is build a loom. So if you open up the build menu and you want to find the loom, which is down here, you need 9 flexwood, 8 flexwood rods and 6 ankles, which can all be obtained from the dry valley area of the world. And once you've got the required materials, what you can then do is go ahead and build the loom. So now we've got the loom built, all you need to do is simply interact with the loom itself, and you can see, as mentioned, for silk fabric you need 5 silk threads. So what you do is just put your 5 silk into here, and this is going to go ahead and build silk fabric. So that is how to go ahead and get silk fabric in LEGO Fortnite. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.